Hi, I'm Dismantle and I'm in Mumbai, India. And I'm here for the Emerge tour, travelling to Mumbai, Pune and Delhi. It's good to definitely come over and get to explore, and even if it's for a short amount of time, just to experience other like nightlife and other culture. And to go anywhere outside of your room to go and play music to people, let alone the other side of the world, it's great.
Emerge 2014 lets you experience tomorrow's craze today. In association with VH1, in partnership with Blue Film, our partners History TV 18 and Big Cinema. Conceptualized by Live Viacom 18.